Hello, welcome to BMeks Info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to free up a lot of space from your hard drive and make your window to function better. And the first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar. Type Run. And when that pops up, you have to type in prefetch, just as shown on the screen. Type in prefetch and click OK. And that will bring up the list of temporary folders and files, often called cache, that you need to delete. Just press Ctrl on your keyboard and select all of them. And right-click on your mouse to select Delete. This will help you to delete all this cache. And this will free a lot of space from your window and make your computer to work faster and better. Just when Skip pops up, just click on it. Keep on clicking on Skip until all these temporary files and folders or cache are deleted, and once you are done with that, you can restart your system. But let me show you also another important tip you can also try. There are several of them, but I want to show you about 3 tips so that you can make your choice. But I believe this first one will work for you. So you have to close your window here. Then go to your Windows search bar. Type Run as you did before and click OK. And when Run pops up, type in Temp. Temp stands for temporary file or folder. Just click on it, and this will bring up the list of all temporary files and folders. These are located within your C drive, and they hinder your system performance. There are several of them, and this app generated every now and then. So what you have to do is to go to your keyboards and press Ctrl to select all of them at once. Right-click on your mouse to delete them. Just keep on pressing Skip when it pops up until all of them are deleted. If any of them remains, it means your system is still using them. So that's how to go about it. And once you're done with this, close the window and restart your system. And I bet you it's going to be faster. Let me show you also the third tip. Go to your Windows search bar. Type Run as you did before, and when Run pops up, just type in temp percentage as shown on the screen, and this will bring up the list of temporary folders generated by your apps. Know the app you installed. Your system generate a lot of cache, a lot of temporary files and folders while they run. So there are several of them. Too many, and these are generated every second, and they really affect your system performance negatively. So what you have to do is to go to your keyboard, press Ctrl to select all of them, and then right-click on your mouse to delete all these temporary folders. And once you are done deleting them, just like I said earlier, your system is going to be lighter and is going to work more efficiently this time around. It could take several minutes for the temporary folders to be completely deleted. But just allow the whole process to go on. And I bet you, your system is going to come back to life. Just allow it to complete the deleting process. And then once you're done with that, close the window and restart your system. And let me show you the final one, which is very important. This will really help with your C drive performance. Just go to your search bar. Type Run as you did before. And when that pops up, you have to type in clean mgr, and then click OK. And this will take you to your C drive. This will open your C drive. And here you will see the list of folders and the spaces they are occupying in your drive. Just go through the contents. Select out the spaces occupied by each folder. The higher the space, the lower the performance of the drive. For instance here, my recycle bin is occupying almost 1.7 gig, and I need to empty it. I need to clean it off. How do you do that? Just check the box behind any folder you want to delete. You can see how I'm doing it. Just check the recycle bin or any other folder with large space you want to delete. Just select the box and click OK down here. And it will automatically delete or empty that particular folder of file occupying the space in your C drive. This will make your system to come back to life. That is how to go about it. And once you are done with this, make sure to restart your system. And before I go, I would like to appeal to you to subscribe to this channel. If this really helped you out, subscribe and also share your comments at the comment section. This will really help us to put up more videos of this nature. Once you are done with it, just restart your system. If your recycle bin is very high, just like my own, it will take several minutes for it to be emptied, but as you can see, it is done. That's how to go about it. And once you are done with it, restart your system. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks.